What's up, Geeks 4x4? Today we are starting on a project. Yes, you asked for it, and we have a project. My buddy bought a 1990 Chevy Astro van. Got a really good deal on it because it needs a lot of work. It is a 1990 Chevy Astro van. It's all-wheel drive. It has a 4.3-liter V6 in it, throttle body injected, and it has about 160,000 miles on it. So, in this video, you're going to see some quick clips of just us doing some quick maintenance things that were needed. The driver door wouldn't open from the outside. The rear door wouldn't open. Had a big old oil leak. It actually ended up being a vent tube that we replaced, and I think we got some footage of that, and just little things like that that we tinkered with. Left front wheel bearing was shot. We are going to replace the battery box. Battery box, again, was shot. Man, it came out in shards. It was I think we counted, it was like a 5-piece battery box when we pulled it out. So we wanted to get that battery mounted so when it gets bouncing around, we don't have any issues. He had a running issue where it just didn't feel like it had any power. We found out that the operation to open the door that opened the airflow wasn't really working very well, so we actually just pulled that door out, so it's got cold air all the time coming in through that intake. Put a new air filter on it, cleaned the throttle body out, fixed a PCV elbow leak, and even changed the IAC, trying to get this thing to idle really good. This van is going to be getting a full build though. He's going to be doing the interior, I'm helping with the exterior. We're going to do a lift, we're going to do bigger tires, we might do skid plates, we might do bumpers, we might do a rack, who knows. You gotta stay tuned and check it out. We're just gonna make this thing an all-around, be able to cruise down the highway and go just about anywhere you want in the dirt. It's not gonna be a rock crawler by any means, but fire roads, and if you get a little bit of rocks on it, it's gonna be no problem for this thing when we're done. So stay tuned for the build. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. You'll see all the videos that way. Have a great day, enjoy this one. Stay tuned for more.